no videoing? Here. Okay, bring it over here. Look at you, you caught it. Alright. Look at that, Allie's first. I had to stop at the gas station on my way. Get a nice big coffee and some donuts, which I was debating. I'm like, why did I get little gas? Boy's gonna get him a frog. Oh, Rooney about got it. Pups go! Go, puppies go!
Yeah, good pups, huh?
They love the snow. Rooney's gonna stare down with some deer over there. Oh, who's gonna win? Rooney, you chased them away. They'd love to be hunting dogs. I don't know if we should let them hunt deer though.
He hears you out there and he thinks he needs to